So this is a simulation. It's a simulation of like multiple samples coming from an underlying uniform distribution. So a uniform distribution would look like a rectangle. It would look flat. But look how bumpy the different samples are. So that's why when we've looked at some people's graphs and we've seen there's like lots of modes and lots of lumps and bumps, but it kind of looks like a uniform distribution. So when you see lots of lumps and bumps, sometimes it could be that the underlying distribution is actually a uniform discrete one or uniform one. Now, if I do a normal distribution, and let's say I've got a mean of 25 and a standard deviation of 3, and we'll do the same 100 values and run the simulation. Whoops, start the animation. So let's start. So that's different, right? So the uniform one, the data's spread right along, whereas this bell-shaped one, the data's more got a point in the middle. Does that make sense? So if I change my standard deviation from a 3 to a 6, we're going to have a more spread out situation. So here, can you see now the data's more spread out? It's flatter. It's not so clumped. So when we've got the normal distribution, we're expecting the mean, median, and mode to be in the middle and all be kind of symmetrical, whereas when we've got the uniform distribution, it's more like a rectangle. So this is quite a good tool to investigate shape. Alrighty?